Hi, I'm Nadia from Oxigo, and today we're talking about something that can make a real difference in people's lives: oxygen therapy. Maybe you've recently heard about it from your doctor, or you just started feeling short of breath doing everyday things. Or maybe you're helping someone who needs oxygen at home. Whatever brought you here, this video will help you understand everything you need to know. Important disclaimer before we start. This video is for educational purposes only, so it's not a medical diagnosis or treatment plan, and always follow your doctor's advice and speak with a healthcare professional before making any decision about oxygen therapy or any medical treatment. So, oxygen therapy is a medical treatment that helps people who don't get enough oxygen naturally through breathing. Normally, when you breathe in, oxygen goes from your lungs into your blood and is carried to the rest of your body. But in some conditions, your lungs may not absorb enough oxygen on their own, and that's where oxygen therapy comes in. It gives your body the extra oxygen it needs to function properly. It can be delivered through various systems and at different flow rates, depending on your medical condition. Here are some common signs that someone might need it: feeling tired all the time, shortness of breath even at rest, rapid breathing, chest tightness or blue lips or fingertips, low oxygen saturation like below 90% on a pulse oximeter. If your doctor suspects low oxygen levels, he usually orders a blood test or an overnight oxygen saturation test. In many cases, oxygen therapy is also recommended for people recovering from surgery involving the lungs or heart. There are different forms of oxygen therapy, and the right one depends on your condition and lifestyle. But here are the main types. Continuous oxygen therapy. You receive oxygen all the time, usually at a steady flow. Used for chronic conditions like fibrosis. Intermittent oxygen therapy. You use it only when needed, like during exercise, sleep, or shortness of breath. Nighttime oxygen therapy for people whose oxygen levels drops only during sleep. And portable oxygen therapy for people who want to stay active and mobile, and it includes smaller and portable concentrators. On oxigo.com, you can find a full range of oxygen concentrators. These are machines that filter and concentrate oxygen from the air in the room. They never run out of oxygen as long as you have power, and they are available in stationary oxygen concentrators, which are machines for home use that delivers a continuous oxygen flow, and with an oxygen extension cubic of 15 meters, you can easily move through your house. The only thing you need to do is to connect your device to the mains in the wall socket and choose the right oxygen setting. The device is easy to set up and safe to use. And portable oxygen concentrators. A major advantage of a portable oxygen machine is that you can use it wherever you are. This device is also suitable for home use, especially the models that provide both continuous flow and pulse flow. Also, all portable concentrators can be used in a plane, so they're perfect for traveling. On our website, we also offer a wide variety of masks, cannulas, and accessories carefully selected to meet your needs. Using oxygen at home might feel like overwhelming at first, but it becomes a routine very quickly. Here's what you should keep in mind. Always follow your doctor's prescription and never increase or reduce the flow on your own. Make sure that the tubing is clean. Don't place the concentrator near heat sources, and never smoke near your oxygen concentrators because this is very dangerous. And last, make sure that your portable system is fully charged before leaving the house. When used correctly, oxygen therapy can make a huge difference in your daily life. Like, you will feel less short of breath, you may sleep better, you will have more energy during the day, and it helps your brain, heart, and muscles work better. And also, it can improve your overall quality of life. So, it doesn't cause addiction or dependence. It simply supports your body when it can do the job alone. If you think you or someone you know could benefit from oxygen therapy, Speak to your doctor first, and when you're ready to get started, Oxigo is here to help. Tap the link below to explore our products, and don't forget to follow us on social media. And please, if this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos about sleep health. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.